Scott Reynolds. I'm the team leader of the Reynolds team at Treasure Coast Sotheby's. Today we are doing a very, very special event. It's the breast cancer awareness. It's October, so it's breast cancer awareness. So what we've decided to do is spotlight one of our clients' homes and bring everybody together. Come on, let me show you. So this house, what we did was we did some light remodeling and a lot of staging. The house was totally vacant and was a little bit outdated, so we did some easy things to update it that would expose and show the property in its best light. So take a look around. So we even got, look, we got a little bit of Elvis over there.
Michelle Moss with Florida Coast Staging Company. Scott and I are co-hosting this event. Beautiful house, but the party itself is a bit special to me. I am a breast cancer survivor. I had stage 4 breast cancer. I was diagnosed in 2017. I had great insurance and my experience was fantastic, but there's an organization called Friends in Pink which helps people who don't have the financial wherewithal to go through the $350,000 process of breast cancer treatment. So they help financially people who stay right here locally, and they will help them with co-pays and costs and things like that. So it's really important to me to support local organizations that will help people with breast cancer. So the house is great, the house is beautiful, the blue and the pink go wonderfully together. Thank you very much for coming.
Oh, 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 oh.